So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPad is completely frozen and is not doing anything at all. Meaning that your particular iPad, whatever you do, it's frozen, stuck on the display, and no matter what you're doing, it's basically not doing anything. Now, the main way to go and fix this for the most part, in my personal opinion, is to try doing some sort of a restart. So you can force restart your iPad by you can try holding down the volume up button and the power button at the exact same time. So just hold down these two buttons. If you're able to get into this pop-up, try sliding the power off. Or what you can do is you can continue to hold down the volume up button and the power button at the same exact time, and you can just wait till it restarts. Or what you can do is you can click the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the power button to the side until it completely restarts. So you have a few different options of completely force restarting your iPad. Now, let's say, once it actually comes back to the Apple logo, you then want to go and let go of your power button, but keep holding down your power button. And then when you see this, just let go. Now, what'll end up happening is your iPad will restart. And then at that point, once it comes back onto this main panel, you can just go ahead and use your iPad as you normally would. But if for some reason your iPad is still freezing every once in a while, it could be a hardware issue or a software issue. I probably would recommend, once it restarts, to make your way back over into your settings. So come right into your settings application right here, scroll over until you see your general option right here, click on software update, and what I'd probably recommend doing is just software updating your particular iPad. For a lot of people, that might be all you're going to have to do, and that may end up fixing the problem for you. So updating your iPad, keeping it up to date, can probably end up fixing the problem for a vast majority of people out there. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, you may just want to make sure there's not some sort of hardware problem going on with your iPad. You can try going through just doing kind of a basic sniff test, kind of look around your iPad, see if there's anything wrong with it. You can even take it into the Apple store and they can also kind of help you out there in that perspective. But those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.